Picture your bones like a very old church, still upright after hundreds of years, yet nothing in it remains as it first was. Not one pillar, curve, or base stays untouched. Each gets removed at some point, swapped, renewed while the structure keeps on holding. The work happens slowly, never stopping, always changing what's inside without breaking its shape. That's what happens inside you. Buried in your skeleton, one team builds while another tears down. Night non-stop they clash, never pausing their quiet war. Meet the cleanup crew, osteoclasts. Big cells with many nuclei. They act like heavy machinery tearing down structures. Acid drips from them, along with powerful proteins that eat away at tired bone. Tiny holes form where they work. These spots get named resorption pits, not chaotic destroyers. They remove material with care. What looks like damage turns into preparation, a quiet step before rebuilding begins. Inside the bone, cleanup leads to rebuilding. Workers called osteoblasts arrive once damage is cleared. These cells build new structure using collagen mixed with calcium and phosphate. As they deposit material, some become surrounded by their own creation. Trapped, one transforms into an osteocyte. Long-term residents now, these cells detect strain across the skeleton. Signals from them guide where fixes happen later. At once, their combined effort kicks off a process known as bone remodeling. The popular science headline says, "You get an entirely new skeleton every 10 years." Here's the thing. Grab just one bone, say your thigh bone. Some pieces might be more than 10 years old, particularly the hard outside layer. Yet when looking at every bit of bone stuff across your entire frame, all the mass made of minerals and protein, track each tiny piece over time. Nearly all of it gets swapped out within a decade for most adults who are well. Your bones never celebrate a birthday. Instead, they're always remodeling themselves. This is when things take a sharp turn. Inside your spine, hip bones, and the tips of big limb bones lives a soft type of tissue that breathes with activity. Renewal happens here every 3 to 4 years. Think of it as a hive where work never stops, much like downtown zones buzzing at all hours. Deep inside your leg bones, change comes like seasons, turning, quiet, unseen. A single layer near the surface may need 2 decades before it becomes new. Think of these parts as old fortresses built long ago. Work continues there, though only bit by bit, year after year. Time passes, so does matter. Each piece inside you stays slightly fresher than your actual age. Yet never does one full bone turn completely fresh in an instant. What stays when things go? Still, amid all the constant changes, some pieces stay put, stuck inside hard tissue, osteocytes. Those buried bone cells often survive many years. Their lifespan stretches way beyond what's typical for body cells. Metabolic traces stick around inside certain proteins, even after collagen fades away. Osteocalcin, one of these holdouts, keeps a quiet record long past its active role. Old injuries linger inside bones, written into the structure by years passing. Though renewal tries, it fails to wipe clean what time has etched broken strands of DNA. Sticky, sugar-damaged proteins piled like dust in corners. Healing reaches only so far. Most times, bone strength dips by 80, not from years passing, but from tiny flaws piling up. Every fix leaves behind small cracks instead of clean rebuilds. Mending rarely matches the original shape. What you get isn't flawless, even if it looks whole. When kids grow, change means more than repair. It means getting bigger. Not simply swapping old for new, but building upward. Crews tearing things down lag behind those putting up fresh material. Length comes from zones near bone ends. Width forms beneath outer layers. Bulk adds steadily. This lasts till around 25. After that, upkeep finally takes over. Built fresh, not replaced. Every bone grows piece by tiny piece. A child does not carry a brand new frame, but shapes one slowly, layer after layer. What is the larger story? Here's what's really going on. Water flows through what seems solid. Cells break down just as new ones begin to form. Far beneath the surface, change never pauses. Bone dissolves even while it rebuilds. Each shift shaped by strain, rest, food, age, chemistry. What feels permanent is always answering life's quiet demands. Footsteps echo a quiet command. Lifting heavy sends another signal. What you eat slips notes into the chain of messages. Repair this spot. Fortify that line. Remove the broken pieces. A decade of bones? Just a made-up tale. Yet what lies beneath feels richer. Reality shaped by time. Every breath shapes who you become next. Right into the marrow. How deep can change go? This deep. Not later. Now. Bones remade by choices just made. Who shows up tomorrow started forming a second ago. Quiet shifts build new frames. Always moving. Never still. Becoming isn't waiting. It lives inside each instant.